Hey guys, it's me, Kelsey, and it's right after our last show of the of Anything Goes. She's filming and I'm filming. Yeah, and so we're at the after party, and so we're going down to the playground.
No,
yeah. Say hi, you guys.
Hi.
Hi. I'm filming.
Oh.
You're like, what? Hi.
Cinderella man.
Thinks he's gangster number one, but really he's my son's son. That makes no sense.
We're going on swings. This is probably irritating the camera, but you know.
I know, right? Yeah, Tegan, what'd you expect?
Well, I expect them to be trying to be like, hey guys, sit on us.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen.
I'm going in the sled.
Yeah, I'm still filming.
I'm in flip-flops.
Oh, you're smart.
Anybody want to take off their shoes?
Not really.
Oh my god.
How is it wet? It's inside.
Kelsey, come here.
Oh my gosh, I haven't been on this in such a long time. This is my school's playground. Where's mine? They wiped mine off.
It's kind of retarded.
I wrote my name here on last day of school, but apparently they hate me, so they took it off.
You're going next. Go.
I want to go down.
Does anybody want to take their shoes off and make me feel happy?
No.
Just stay in there, but it didn't work. I'm gonna get so sick from this, guys.
Who cares? It's after the play. Who cares? It's after the play. In English or in French, bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Epic fail, Hanu.
Go down next. I will. Okay, guys, we're going down the slide.
I'll lick it off. Hopefully you can stay but I couldn't.
Okay. I'm really wet. Guys, I'm really cold now.
I kind of want to go back. I kind of don't want to go there now. Sarah, I'll walk back with you. Want to go back? No.
You guys want to go?
Then you keep singing.
I don't want to go back.
There's like no safe way to go down.
Tegan, nobody freaking likes you.
It's wet. How come she Here, go down the ladder. Go down the ladder.
My part is getting all wet.
I want to go that one.
No, I'm gonna like die.
What? I used to always feel that when we were playing freeze tag. This wasn't even built when you were in the school.
Yeah, it was.
It was?
She's only 2 years older than us, Alex.
Oh yeah. I don't remember that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna stop filming now. Bye.